Hello! I'm gonna have to prop this up higher. Guys, I got a new camera. Hi! Oh my god, okay. Oh my gosh. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the Acne channel. It's Callie here. I'm so excited. Yes, I got a new camera. Hopefully you guys can tell a quality difference. Fingers crossed. I'm filming in the same spot with the same light, new camera, and yeah, I hope it was worth the money. What was I gonna say? Life update? I don't know if you guys really wanna hear about my life. I need to eat this really quick though, because I'm like pretty hungry. Why did I choose the chewiest thing ever? This is definitely gonna have to take some getting used to because I don't have a monitor. Like I can't see myself at all. I'm just looking into the lens and hoping for the best. Today, what I thought we would do is swatch the new BareMinerals lipstick collection. It is BAREPRO Longwear Lipstick. They came out with 20 new colors. I'm wearing one right now today. Don't know if it looks all that great anymore, but I'm loving them so far. I've been wearing them for the past like 3 days. And I thought we could just swatch these and test them out on my arm. We're gonna try it on my arm. Maybe we'll do a couple on the lips. My lips are pretty dry today. I don't know why I chose this video for today, but it's what I chose, okay? It doesn't have to make sense. Let's get to it. Let's see what this camera can do with all the close-ups and ish. Yeah? 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 Okay. Holy shiz balls, y'all. It looks real good. More about this lipstick though. It came with this card on the inside. Will it autofocus? Will it autofocus? That would be the best thing in my life. Hopefully you guys can read this right now. Sorry, I'm still trying to figure out this camera. But paraben free, phthalate free, formaldehyde free, chemical sunscreen free, triclosan free. I don't know what half of these are. Propylene glycol free, that's good. Mineral oil free, coal tar free, microbead free, and cruelty free. It's just free! So, let's do this thing. I'm going to swatch them on my arm again and then maybe a couple on my lip. First color right here is strawberry. And I'm actually wearing this one today. So this is pretty much what it looks like on the lip. Hopefully that looks okay. Yeah, that looks good. It's just my lips are chapped AF. Let's swatch this. There you go, there's strawberry. Oh my gosh, I kind of did not need to push down that hard. The next color is raspberry. There's like 20 colors in here, so this is gonna take a while. The third color is boysenberry. Oh, like boysenberry, but it's boys. I like boys. Boysenberry. Cranberry. Cranberry. Oh, and the thing I was gonna say that I like about these, I really like that these dry down matte. So they kind of go on like a normal lipstick, but they dry down matte, which is really nice. That's cranberry. Blackberry I wore the other day. I really like this one. It's like a dark purpley color. This is blackberry. I have no clue. Again, I'm winging it. I'm really hoping that it autofocuses. I've not used this camera for that yet, but I think that it should. Hibiscus. I might run out of room, guys. I don't know. There's hibiscus. Oh, that one's pretty. I like that. I can actually see it like in the reflection. Okay, the next color is saffron. This orange color. That's kind of cool. That'll be nice in like the spring. Cherry. Cherry is next. And cherry actually kind of looks more orangey than red. Or I guess it's like an orange red, but I think it looks really orange. This cherry. So far I have like nothing but good things to say. about these. They're like gliding on so smooth. This is one coat of each. I'm not even pushing. Like at first I was pushing kind of hard. I'm not even pushing hard anymore. This is, again, cherry. Look at that. Magical. Oh, it's magic. You know. This color is Dahlia. This is like purple. Just a dusty kind of purple color. Go, Dahlia. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's like really different. I like that. This one right here is Dahlia. Well, I'm out of room on this arm, so I'm gonna start going on this, on this arm. Petunia, that's this first one. This is Petunia. I love that. That's real math. That's like night and day. Office, because you a trendy, sassy CEO, but also nighttime. Because you just kidding. Just kidding! Okay, the next one is Camellia. And it's like this camel color, which is very fitting. If I had a camel, I would name it Camellia 2. Not Camellia 1, Camellia 2. This is like, I feel like gonna be for people who have probably lighter skin tones, or maybe darker. I don't know who this is for. I like it though. I'd wear it. Next is Peony. We are just breezing right through this. There's Peony. So smooth. Not chalky at all, and I can't believe that they dry down as matte as they are. I would say probably after like, but like this now, yeah, like nothing. I mean, if you rub it like that, I guess you get a little bit, but they are pretty matte. Next is Spice. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. I wanna. Or nah. There's Spice. I love this one. Very pretty nude. It's actually kind of like the top two combined, like Camellia the camel, and Peony the plant had a baby. Next is Nutmeg. This is Nutmeg. It's getting harder the more I move down. Ooh! Ooh, she pretty though. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna have to try that one out on my lips. The next color we have is called Bloom. Bloom. It sounds like I said blue. Bloom, like the flowers bloom. Oh, hopefully that's not. Here we go. Carnation. What in carnation? When I read that, I was like, did they mean tarnation? No, I'm just from Kentucky. Not from, I'm from Ohio, but I just live in Kentucky. What in carnation? This is What in Carnation, AKA Tarnation. What in carnation? Oh my God. Jacked up on Mountain Dew today. Breaking Bounty. Jacked up on Mountain Dew. Okay, this is Geranium. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna like this one a lot. Geranium. That one's really pretty. Nice little orangey tint, but also very, I don't know, everything is very orangey red tint. I still love this one. And that one was Nutmeg. I think that's probably gonna be my favorite. Okay, next up, we only have 3 left. You made it this long. Congratulations, you get a cookie. This is Petal. Ooh. I mean, you guys get it at this point. It's like very buttery. I don't know, I really like them. It doesn't feel like a matte lipstick. Like it doesn't feel like dried down and like cracking your lips and sucking out all the moisture, it actually feels pretty good. And like I said, I've been leaning away from the matte lipsticks and really more towards regular lipstick and like lip gloss, so it's kind of come at a more perfect time. Okay, next we have 2 more. Cinnamon. This is cinnamon. That's really pretty. It's like a brown purple. Mauve. Mauvey, baby. You like to mauve it, mauve it. Pretty lady. All right, last one. This color is called Raisin. And this looks pretty similar to Cranberry and Blackberry, but it has a little bit more brown in it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Hopefully. Oh my gosh, well, we did that. We did the dang thing. Guys, that was the whole collection. We just swatched the entire collection on me arms. Amazing. So overall, again, I have been testing them out on my lips for the past few days. It feels like a lipstick. It stays put, but it doesn't get like so matte and so dry. Like you saw, if I rubbed it a lot, it was gonna come off, but just like touching it, it's there, it's staying put. I really like none of them were like chalky or breaking apart. All of them are really buttery. They have a really nice finish. I like them. I like them a lot. I know that's like probably the best review you've ever heard. I like it a lot. It's good, but this is definitely approved by moi. And I like that they're making conscious effort to be free from so many things. They're free. They're free, baby, and cruelty-free and vegan-friendly and all that stuff. And the color payout is actually really nice. Very pigmented and definitely worth looking into. There you guys go. That is it. That's the entire collection. That's all I got for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, for checking it out. And don't forget to hit that follow, like, subscribe, all those good buttons. I need another snack. Hold on. Oh my God. It was so good. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at myfacestory, and I will make sure to link the lipsticks down below. Again, this is part of the new BarePro collection, and this was sent to me as a PR package. So that's all, and I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for tuning in, and goodbye, guys. Goodbye, guys.